Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Traverse battery. Before you begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. Gather your necessary tools, such as a 10mm wrench, and always wear safety glasses and gloves. The battery in a Traverse is uniquely located under the passenger seat, so we'll start by accessing that area. Now that you're ready, let's get to the battery itself. First, clear the passenger footwell by removing the floor mat and any other items. You'll then see a plastic trim panel. Gently pry this up to reveal the battery compartment. Depending on your specific model, you might also need to detach a small air vent to give yourself enough room to work comfortably. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging any interior components. With the battery now visible, it's time to disconnect the terminals. This is a critical step for safety. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative cable, then carefully remove the cable from the battery post. Once the negative is off, proceed to the positive terminal. Loosen its nut and remove that cable as well. Keep the cables away from the battery posts. Finally, with the terminals disconnected, you can remove the battery. There's usually a hold-down clamp or strap securing the battery in place. You'll need to unfasten this. Once the hold-down is removed, carefully lift the battery straight up and out of its compartment. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back, to prevent injury. You're all set to replace it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.